out there, or it's thinking about it?
It is raining just off to our west, and our weather chaser is out chasing this specific storm. They're at I-70 in Wadsworth, and just looking off in the distance, you can see those dark clouds. We kind of have a downpour out there off to the west. This is coming out of Evergreen and Golden and pulling the rain down across the Front Range. So we have had a delay of the baseball game until 6:25 for start time, so just a little ways off. They're waiting for this storm to get on by, but outside right now it's 88 degrees, 20% humidity, and winds at 18 miles an hour, and it's still very mild out there. 88 degrees at the airport, 84 in Aurora, and 84 in Arvada, 82 in Boulder at this point. And here are all the watches and warnings here across the state. We have quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings up to our north and for our eastern plains. But here around Denver, we're keeping an eye on that storm we were just looking at from our storm chaser. It is headed a little more to the north than it is to the east coming this way. So that's why we've had the delay for the game as this storm continues to push off, because it has lightning and very heavy rain and possibly even some hail associated with it. And these storms have been strong as they've popped up. The one severe thunderstorm warning still in effect here around Fort Collins, but what we've had added on here is a flash flood warning near Bellevue. They've already had about an inch of water having come down with the thunderstorms already, and they're expecting flash flooding to start pretty soon. Here out toward Leader, severe thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock, and we've also had some hail reported with that storm as well. So everything in orange is a severe thunderstorm warning. Here to our south, a flash flood watch from Colorado Springs toward Trinidad. This is for the rain that will come in tomorrow from the south and could affect the burn scars and cause some flash flooding. We also have a dense smoke advisory that continues for the southwestern part of the state. So storms we were anticipating early with some gusty winds, but they've delayed the start of this game until 6:25. Temperatures will be in the 70s by the end of the game. So for tonight, we'll see these storms push off to the east and move out of the way. It'll be a quiet overnight for us here. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s for our overnight lows. We'll have those isolated storms, temperatures around 60 for our low. And then tomorrow morning, as you're headed out, temperatures will be in the 60s. It'll be a little cooler tomorrow, but with good chances for rain into the afternoon. Our risk for strong thunderstorms extends from Denver across the eastern plains. Our highs will be in the mid-80s, so not quite as hot. We'll have cloudy skies, and you see these storms come up from the south. They'll push across the Front Range all the way across the eastern plains, and some of these could have some very heavy rainfall included with that. So our first alert action day continues into tomorrow as well. Your 4th of July forecast, it should be dry in Denver as we head through the later evening hours, but we still have that chance for some thunderstorm activity. Temperatures in the 90s for the next few days. And boy, do we stay there. 95 on Saturday, 97 on Sunday, and low to mid 90s into the beginning of next week. So keep an eye to the sky just for some rapidly changing weather conditions. These storms will move through, but we're really keeping an eye on that one to the west.
We're counting on you. Thank you, Stacy.